Hey guys, just wanted a quick video on the Pocket Master with the Chocolate Plus now that you don't need to use Midi Chief, whatever the hell it's called anymore. So first thing you got to do is you got to set up your M-Vave. So what you're going to do is you turn your Bluetooth on your phone. You're going to connect to the foot controller, allow it to scan. It's going to scan, it'll find the foot controller. Let it connect. All day now. Come on, try it again. All right, now once it's set up, you're going to go to Advanced Custom Mode 1 on foot switch A. On bank A, you're going to set your C channel 1. You're going to do a CC message, 1 and 1. That'll be preset 1. Click Save. Then you want to do the same thing on bank B. That way when you if you press it a second time, it'll still go back to the same one. So you're going to put it in the same way again. 1, 1, and 1. Save that, and that'll be on bank B. So that's button A. You're going to go to foot switch 2, or foot switch B, and then you're going to set it for 1, 1, 2 for the first one. And for bank B, you're also going to do 1, 1, 2, and hit save again. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go back. You're going to go to foot switch 3. You're going to set bank A as a CC message again to 1, channel 1, data 2 is preset 3. Same thing for bank B. You set it up the same way again. You go to D. You're going to do the same thing. D, you're going to go 1, 1, 4 as a CC message. Press save. You go to bank B. 1, 1, 4 CC message. Save. And now you're set up. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to turn off your Bluetooth here. The light will start flashing here, indicating it does not have a Bluetooth connection. When you turn the Bluetooth on your Pocket Master, it's automatically going to connect to the chocolate. Don't go into the menu. It just automatically connects. So when you turn the Bluetooth on, they connect, and now you can channel 1, channel 2, 3, channel 4. You can go 1 to 4, you can go 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 4 to 3 to 2, 1, 4, 3, 8, 7, 5, 6. All of that good stuff. And you're all good to go. So, any questions? Watch the video again. No. Any questions? Leave them down in the comments. And I will talk to you guys later. Peace.